Z's device is out of warranty and he needs to process payment. Let's look at the payment options in the repair order portal. Let's have a look at an account with a PO payment set up. The transaction amount is displayed in the purchase order window. Here, Z must enter the purchase order number. Additional comments can be included in the Payment Comments tab. User can view and download quotation before payment by clicking the quotation document icon beside the transaction amount column. Next, Z confirms the billing address. He can either proceed with the default billing address he set up in his user settings, or he can select the billing address by clicking in the looking glass icon. In the Attachments tab, Z attached the purchase order document. With all the provided details, Z can now submit his billable repair. Let's have a look at an account with a credit card payment set up. The transaction amount is displayed in the credit card window. Here, Z must enter all the relevant credit card details. Next, Z confirms the billing address. He can either proceed with the default billing address he's set up in his user settings, or he can select the billing address by clicking in the looking glass icon. With all the provided details, Z can now submit his billable repair. After a successful submission, Z gets a repair order number. Upon submission, all of the information is sent to Z's email immediately. Once the repair is completed, Z can locate the invoice in the repair order portal. To do this, he navigates to the Check Repair Status tab. Clicking in his repair order number, Z can access all the repair-related information, including all repair-related documents. With Zebra's repair order portal, Z's payment was processed seamlessly, granting him easy access to all the necessary information whenever he needed it. Take control of your repairs effortlessly and on your schedule. Visit repair.zebra.com today.